Go there. How can you just open yourself? You just, first of all, you just first open yourself to danger. One military officer there, open chamber. What if accidental discharge happen? Who knows? Who knows? If not be God. You're supposed to go do Thanksgiving.
What is wrong with this jollof? In the first place, you're telling a sitting minister, say, he go do your official duty. He open himself to danger. You open yourself to danger. Like you don't get sense. If that military man was not there, if the Navy officer wasn't there, Wike would not have issues with anybody. He was going there for his official assignment. Yes. Show me the documents of the land. If the land documents are legit, Opare, if the documents are not legit, you move out of the land. Now, so the thing be. So what would they able to do for this country when we say we're not listening to people when people talk? And I see some people they praise the goat when they talk rubbish. Okay, we can continue to listen.